So this is the wind I chose not to drive in. I chose not to drive in. Why I got here a day early, because it's fucking howling. I can just imagine trying to navigate the passes I came through in this wind with Charlotte. There's no way. I would have had to pull over the side of the road, put down the stabilizer arms. I mean, it's knocking shit around pretty good. So this is Samstown, KOA. There's the Longhorn over there. Oh, okay. It's after my namesake, right? Samstown. I don't know, the forecast said gusts up to 33 miles an hour. I think they missed that number by about another 33 miles an hour. I have no idea how hard this wind's blowing, but I would say 60 is a fair, reasonable estimate. So I took the camera with me to walk over to the dumpster and throw out the trash. And I had to share this. I mean, I'll... Oh, shit, howdy. I saw some people that left this morning. I wonder if they checked the forecast. Man, yeah, that would be really rough out on the open road. With in the middle of, you know, a portion of the highway where there's no hillsides or anything to protect you from the gale force. Well, I don't know what the gale, how many miles an hour does wind have to reach before it's gale force, I wonder. That's a good looking truck. Where are they from? I don't have my glasses on, I can't tell. There's Charlotte. All right, tour's over. Bye.